guys! Sa araw na ito ay nais ko po sa inyong i-share ang top 100 most expensive shoes of all time. Kung may nais po kayo palabas po sa tahanang ito, pwede po kayo mag-comment down below. At kung may nais naman po ng shoutout, ay pwede rin din po mag-comment down below. At i-shoutout po natin po sa mga susunod po mga palabas. So heto na, sisimulan na po natin mga expensive shoes of all time. So, hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
Ika-100 is Walter Tiger shoes. Cost is $500 US. Launched in year 1969. It is best known for its high-heeled styles. Number 99 is Nike SB Dunk High Carpet Company. Cost is $500 US and launched in year 2021. Number 98 is Air Jordan Y Retro High J Balvin shoes. Cost is $500 US and launched in year 2020. Number 97 is Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Racer Blue. Cost is $500 US and launched in year 2020. Number 96 is Nike Air Force 1 Low NYC City of Athletes. Cost is $500 US and launched in year 2019. Number 95 is Gucci Ace. Cost is $680 US and launched in year 2016. Number 94 is Nike Dunk SB Low What the Pole. Cost is $700 US and launched in year 2005. Number 93 is Nike Air Force 1 07 LB8 Utility Men's Sneakers. Cost is $800 US and launched in year 2015. 07 LV8 stands for Elevate. Number 92 is Air Jordan 5 Retro Off-White. Cost is $800 US and launched in year 2020. Number 91 is Vans Old School Mind Seeker Purple Lightning Shoes. Cost is $900 US and launched in year 2018. Number 90 is Air Jordan 1 Retro High Spider-Man Origin Story. Cost is $900 US and launched in year 2018. Number 89 is Air Jordan 1 Retro Brand Shoes. Cost is $900 US and launched in year 2001. Number 88 is Melody Esan Air Jordan 1 Mid. Cost is $1,000 US and launched in year 2019. Number 87 is Nike LeBron 11 Elite SE Championships. Cost is $1,000 US and launched in year 2014. Number 86 is Nike Air Max 90 Off-White Black Shoes. Cost is $1,000 US and launched in year 2019. Number 85 is Balenciaga Men's Triple S Sneakers Deep Blue. Cost is $1,100 US and launched in year 2017. Number 84 is Nike Women's Air Jordan 4 Off-White Sale. Cost is $1,100 US and launched in year 2020. Number 83 is Adidas JS Wings 3.0 Batman Sea Black Sneakers. Cost is $1,130 US and launched in year 2014. Number 82 is Air Force 1 Low of White. Cost is $1,200 US and launched in year 1982. It is the first Nike basketball sneaker with air technology. Number 81 is Brian Atwood shoes. Cost is $1,345 US and launched in year 2001. Number 80 is Jimmy Choo shoes. Cost is $1,395 US and launched in year 1986. It is best known for its handmade women's shoes. Number 79 is Air Jordan 4 Off-White Sale. Cost is $1,500 US and launched in year 2020. Number 78 is Air Jordan 1 times Off-White NRG. Cost is $1,600 US and launched in year 2018. Number 77 is Alexander McQueen shoes. Cost is $1,645 US and launched in year 2014. Number 76 is Jordan 1 Retro High Travis Scott. Cost is $1,900 US and launched in year 2019. Number 75 is Converse Off-White times Chuck Taylor. Cost is $2,200 US and launched in year 2018. Number 74 is Nike The 10 Air Max 97 times Off-White. Cost is $2,600 US and launched in year 2017. Number 73 is Air Jordan 1 High Retro Tank 16. Cost is $2,600 US and launched in year 2018. Number 72 is Mio Bio shoes. Cost is $2,745 US and launched in year 1993. It is best known for its pastel color palette and quirky cat motifs. Number 71 is Christian Louboutin shoes. Cost is $3,095 US and launched in year 1992. It is best known for its high-end shoes. Number 70 is Nike times MSCHF Air Max 97 Jesus shoes. Cost is $4,000 US. Launched in year 1997. It is a customized sneaker filled with holy water from the Jordan River. Number 69 is Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 Pirate Black sneakers. Cost is $4,200 US and launched in year 2015. Number 68 is Air Jordan 3 OG. Cost is $4,500 US and launched in year 1988. It is the first sneaker to carry the Jumpman logo. Number 67 is Aubercy Diamond shoes. Cost is $4,510 US and launched in year 1935. It is known for luxurious shoes using perfectly simple designs. Number 66 is Manolo Blahnik shoes. Cost is $4,600 US and launched in year 1983. It is best known for a signature line of high-end women's footwear. Number 65 is Air Jordan 1 Retro Fragment shoes. Cost is $4,800 US and launched in year 2014. Number 64 is Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro High Igloo White. Cost is $5,600 US and launched in year 2017. Number 63 is Nike Foam Posite 1 Sole Collector. Cost is $6,000 US and launched in year 1997. Number 62 is Air Jordan 1 Off-White shoes. Cost is $6,500 US and launched in year 2018. Number 61 is Nike Yeezy 2 Red October. Cost is $7,500 US and launched in year 2014. It is the most expensive Yeezy shoes of all time. Number 60 is Blown times Nike Air Force 1 High. Cost is $8,000 US and launched in year 2017. Number 59 is Chanel times Parel times Adidas NMD HU. Cost is $10,000 US and launched in year 2017. NMD HU stands for NMD Human Race. Number 58 is Air Jordan 5 Trophy Room Friends and Family. Cost is $10,000 US and launched in year 2019. Number 57 is Adidas NMD R1 Friends and Family. Cost is $10,000 US and launched in year 2015. Number 56 is Louis Vuitton Manhattan Richelieu men's shoes. Cost is $10,000 US and launched in year 2010. Number 55 is Air Jordan 4 Undefeated. Cost is $15,000 US and launched in year 2018. Number 54 is Nike Dunk SB Low Staple NYCP June. Cost is $16,000 US and launched in year 2005. Nike Dunk SB means Nike Skateboarding. Number 53, Air Force 1 Virgil times Momo sneakers. Cost is $18,100 US. Launch is year 2018. Number 52 is Jordan times Dior Air Jordan 1 High sneakers. Cost is $19,200 US and launch in year 2020. Number 51 is DJ Khaled times Air Jordan 3 Grateful. Cost is $25,000 US and launch in year 2017. It commemorates the release of the Jordan brand ambassador's Grateful album. Number 50 is Macklemore times Air Jordan 6 Cactus. Cost is $25,000 US and launched in year 2014. Number 49 is Nike SB What Da Dunk sneakers. Cost is $26,700 and launched in year 1985. Number 48 is Eminem times Carhartt Air Jordan 4. Cost is $30,000 US and launched in year 2015. Number 47 is Testoni men's dress shoes. Cost is $30,000 US and launched in year 1929. Number 46 is Air Jordan 2 OG. Cost is $31,000 US and launched in year 1986. OG stands for Original Colorway. Number 45 is Air Jordan 4 Eminem. Cost is $32,000 US and launched in year 2005. It commemorates the release of the Encore album. Number 44 is Testoni shoes. Cost is $38,000 US and launched in year 1929. It is known for its comfort and excellence. Number 43 is Air Jordan 11 Jeter. Cost is $40,000 US and launched in year 2017. It is created in honor of the career of Michael Jordan. Number 42 is Nike Dunk SB Low Yellow Lobster. Cost is $40,000 US and launched in year 2020. Number 41 is Nike SoCal Air Force 1 Supreme Max. Cost is $50,000 US and launched in year 1982. Number 40 is Diamond Encrusted Air Force 1. cost is $50,000 and launched in year 1982. Number 39 is Air Jordan Silver Shoes, cost is $60,000 and launched in year 2020. Number 38 is Futura Nike Dunk High Pro SB Flow, cost is $63,000 and launched in year 2005. Number 37 is MJ's Air Jordan 8, cost is $63,800 and launched in year 1993. Number 36 is the Hermes Birkenstock Sandals, cost is $76,000 and launched in year 2020. It is regarded as the most exclusive sandal ever made. Number 35 is Nike Dunk Low SB Paris, cost is $88,000 and launched in year 2003. It is known for the artwork of French painter Bernard Buffet. Number 34 is original Nike Mag Back to the Future 2, cost is $92,100 and launched in year 1989. It is a sports brand Nike that featured in sci-fi film Back to the Future 2. Number 33 is Air Jordan 12 Oboe Drake Edition, cost is $100,000 and launched in year 2016. Oboe means October's very own. Number 32 is Drake's Oboe x Air Jordan 10, cost is $100,000 and launched in year 2015. The number 31 is Air Jordan 12 Blue Game, cost is $104,000 and launched in year 2016. It celebrated Jordan's legendary performance in Game 5 of the 1997 NBA Finals. Number 30 is MJ's Air Jordan 7, cost is $112,500 and launched in year 1992. It is best known for being worn by Michael Jordan during the 1992 NBA All-Star Game. Number 29 is Boskimi 100mm Diamond Sneakers, cost is $132,000 and launched in year 2016. It is renowned for its collaborations with celebrities. Number 28 is Nizam Sikandar's Jazz Shoes, cost is $160,000 and launched in year 1790. It is part of the symbol of the 18th century royalty. Number 27 is Bill Bowerman Handmade Waffle Spike Shoes, cost is $162,500 and launched in year 1974. It is the first and only handcrafted Bowerman shoes to ever appear at auction. Number 26 is Converse Fast Break, cost is $190,373 and launched in year 1983. It is made popular by Michael Jordan himself in 1984 Olympic Games in Los Angeles. Number 25 is self-lacing Nike Mag Back to the Future 2, cost is $200,000 and launched in year 1989. It is a sports brand Nike that featured in sci-fi film Back to the Future 2. Number 24 is Air Jordan 11 Space Jam, cost is $200,000 and launched in year 2000. It is worn by the NBA legend in the famous basketball game of the Looney Tunes. Number 23 is MJ's NBA Finals Air Jordan 6, cost is $252,000 and launched in year 1991. It is one of the most iconic in the Air Jordan range and worn by Michael Jordan in 1991. Number 22 is Catherine Wilson's Charity Pumps, cost is $400,000 and launched in year 2012. Number 21 is the Diamond Shoe by Catherine Wilson, cost is $418,450 and launched in year 2012. It is a special made for Ronald McDonald House charity auction. Number 20 is Nike Moon Shoe, cost is $437,500. Launch is year 2019. It got its nickname for the waffle soles that resembles the astronaut's footprints on moon. Number 19 is Stuart Weitzman Diamond Dream Stilettos, cost is $500,000 and launched in year 2007. It is created for the 2007 Oscars. Number 18 is Air Jordan 1 Chicago signed by Michael Jordan, cost is $560,000 and launched in year 1995. It is the most expensive sneakers to sold at an auction according to Guinness record. Number 17 is Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard, cost is $615,000 and launched in year 2015. It is Michael Jordan's jersey for first half of the game, black and orange. Number 16 is the original ruby red slippers from the Wizard of Oz. Cost is $660,000 and launched in year 1939. It is the magic pair of shoes worn by Dorothy Gill in the 1939 film The Wizard of Oz. Number 15 is Stuart Weitzman Marilyn Monroe shoes. Cost is $1 million and launched in year 2005. Number 14 is Stuart Weitzman Retro Rose Pump. Cost is $1 million and launched in year 1940. It features a diamond-studded rose of 24 karat gold and 100 karat diamonds. Number 13 is Stuart Weitzman Platinum Gilt Stilettos. Cost is $1.09 million and launched in year 2017. It is famous for its 464 quiet diamonds. Number 12 is Stuart Weitzman Ruby Slipper. Cost is $1.6 million and launched in year 1989. It is modeled after a pair of ruby slippers worn by Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz. Number 11 is Kanye West Nike Air Yeezys. Cost is $1.8 million and launched in year 2009. It is the shoe brand's first non-athlete full collaboration. Number 10 is Solid Gold OVO x Air Jordan. Cost is $2 million and launched in year 2015. Number 9 is Tom Ford Custom by Jason Arashibin. Cost is $2 million and launched in year 2014. It is famous for its more than 14,000 full cut round white diamonds. Number 8 is Stuart Weitzman Tanzanite Heels. Cost is $2 million and launched in year 2017. Number 7 is Stuart Weitzman Cinderella Slippers. Cost is $2 million and launched in year 2013. It is inspired by the peasant turned Princess Cinderella. Number 6 is Stuart Weitzman Rita Hayworth Heels. Cost is $3 million and launched in year 2020. It features diamonds, rubies, and sapphires. Number 5, Harry Winston Ruby Slippers. Cost is $3 million and launched in year 1989. It is a tribute to The Wizard of Oz 50th anniversary of the film release. Number 4 is Ramazan Baidan Loafers. Cost is $10 million and launched in year 2008. It is formerly known as Ducati Model 271 and renamed the Bush shoe. Number 3 is Demi Wingham High Heels. Cost is $15.1 million and launched in year 2017. It is a 24-karat gold leather shoes with pink, blue, and white diamonds. Number 2 is the Fashion Diamond Shoes. Cost is $17 million and launched in year 2018. It features several hundreds of diamonds. At ang nangunguna po sa ating listahan ayon sa survey ay ang Moonstar Shoes by Antonio Vietri. Cost is $19.9 million and launched in year 2019. It is known for crafting the world's first 24K gold shoes.
A few moments later.
Salamat po ng napakarami po sa inyo pong panonood. Kung inyo po ito pong nagustuhan, ay maaari po natin po itong share sa ating mga friends. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!
Yeah.